Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing a cat ghost. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we are back with another lesson. This time we're doing a cat ghost and Valentina is here with me.
Hi.
Valentina and I were gonna do this ghost for little artist. We're gonna do first the nose, and the nose is just gonna be a little tiny circle.
That looks cool.
Okay, next we're gonna do the mouth, and underneath the nose we're gonna go one curve, kind of like a U shape to the left and one to the right. Good job. Now we're gonna do the eyes. After the mouth, we're gonna go to the left and we're gonna do an oval shape. And we're gonna color that oval shape with black. Oh, I need to change this marker.
Hey.
Now the other one, the same thing. After the mouth, we're gonna do another oval shape that we're gonna color with black. You got it, baby. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna do the ears and then the top of the head. So I'm gonna go up this eye first, and I'm gonna do a U shape, upside down letter U that is gonna go like this.
Letter upside. Is that what you said?
Yep. And then from here I'm gonna do the head. And then we're gonna go in on this line, and I'm gonna do another upside down letter U. Good job. Now we're gonna go from this corner and I'm gonna do a curve that goes around the eyes. It's a big one. Now on the other side, I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna pass this eye, and it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna go curving a little and I'm passing this eye. Good job. Now we're gonna do the bottom part. So I'm gonna start on this one and we're gonna come out a little, and it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna curve out and then up.
Curve out and then.
Good job. Now on this side, we're gonna go out and curve again. So it's gonna go curve out and up. And from this point, we're gonna join to this one, and I'm gonna do curves. So it's gonna go like curve, another one, and another one. That's nice. Now we're gonna do his hands, and one is gonna go on this side. I'm gonna do a curve, kind of like a U shape. And we're gonna do one more here. It's gonna go like this, curve. And now we're gonna put the whiskers so it looks more like a cat. So next to the eye, I'm gonna go 1, 2, and 3. And I'm gonna pass the marker twice so these lines go a little thicker.
And bigger.
And a little bigger. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. And there, that's it. We finished this ghost cat. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our ghost cat looks like. We choose different tones of gray. I think the lighter color looks a little better, and we also choose some rosy cheeks for our ghost. So you can decorate your ghost or add more stuff in the background.
Like some other mini ghost or bats or even a cat hanging on to his hair.
Yes, yeah, that will be funny.
Like the paw right here, and the paw right here, and the cat's head right here. That'd be cute.
That would be super cute.
While he was sleeping.
So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.
Bye.